almost ready. Chicken seasoning. So today I'll be making some quick chicken soup. My stomach is calling for it, so I'm making it. So as you see, I remove the tip or whatever it's called from my drumstick and the skin, and open the flesh or the meat of the drum skin so that it can cook much quicker. In some chicken seasoning, I already put on my pot with my water for the soup and a bit of kosher salt. So I'll leave this chicken to marinate until my water start to boil. Garlic, my scallion that will go into my soup. And here I have a piece of pumpkin because I'm making pumpkin soup. You know, with chicken we have pumpkin soup. My pumpkin, I'll put it into small chunks to add to the water. This is just some quick chicken soup. Later on I'll add a couple piece more scallion, some pimento seed, now I'll add my chicken. So this is the noodle I have, cock soup. I'll save because I don't want the noodles to go in my soup. Now I'm going to make my dumplings for my soup. I'm the only one that's eating this soup. I'm already making oxtails for my son. So about a cup and a half of flour and a little salt. Put it on a clean glove. Mix up my salt, and this is how I make my dumpling. I don't use no cups and with water, no. Oh, and you could add cornmeal if you'd like to your flour, but I didn't want any cornmeal in mine. My dough like this. I don't know why. It's just a habit. So that's when I'm ready to make the dumplings, I just break a piece off. And that with a piece of paper towel because I don't want my dough to dry out. And or you could use saran wrap. But I always wet my paper towel. Leave it like this. My soup bubbling. Break up my pumpkins. I'll put in my carrots. My yam. Just cut off a piece. And This is my yellow yam that I'll peel and add to my soup. I like this yam. Wow. Yam. Cut it into 4 pieces. So now I'm putting in my yams. Making my dumplings small. A little black pepper, vegeta, and my thyme. Add that to my pot. Now for my corn. So I'll cover it, let it simmer. Need more butter than that. Oops, see that? But guys, my soup tastes so good already. And it hasn't even finished yet. My body was calling for this soup. Ooh. Just a couple pieces of frozen okra. Little parsley. This is why I prefer to cut up my scallion. All these strings, I don't like them in my pot. Almost ready. Now I'll turn off my fire. My soup is ready. Time to dish out my soup. I can't wait to eat my soup. Take the dumpling. 2 dumplings. Piece of corn, carrots. I always cut up my dumpling before I start eating.